is for micro and small medium enterprises. The presentation outline is first we discuss about literature review, then methodology, then we go for findings and conclusion, and at last we will go for some limitation of my studies. Fintech. According to the PwC report 2015, the fintech is defined as the combination of innovation of financial services and availability of the capital through the use of new digital technology such as crowdfunding. In India, the fintech is new concept as few companies are working from last almost 3 to 5 years. Globally the landscape of financial sector is changing in this digital era, as we have some innovative investment opportunity like cryptocurrency and etc. The advancement in technology and its use in financial sector have led to a emergence of new financial technology area as a whole. And fintech is a new way of doing finance through artificial intelligence powered by algorithm. We have also seen many of the mutual fund houses are doing trading or managing their investment of clients with the help of these algorithm trading. The payment business and loan disbursement are the two top contributor of the fintech business, followed by aggregation and crowdfunding in India. It is the latest report by Deloitte in 2019. Introduction. We can see here the highest growth rate of global fintech market is in India, China, Australia, somehow Middle East. MSME. There is a separate definition of MSME according to the Indian Ministry of MSMEs. Here they are three classification of MSMEs, that is micro, small, and medium, and each of have their own definition according to their investment and sales or turnover. We in India there are two different types of definition for service sector and some for manufacturing industry. Why we are discussing about the conducting research on MSME only? Because MSME is the largest contributor in the gross domestic product, and largest contributor of the almost 45% of the export of the merchandise come from the MSME sector. But the MSME sector in India facing many problems like lack of capital, channelizing of goods, licensing, administrative difficulty, some logistic problem, and latest we have faced problem of COVID-19. One of the way to deal this problem is to streamline the process and remove the unnecessary compliances caused by the existing policies and institutional setups. As in India, the prime area or prime arena through which we can raise fund is banks, and generally banks have their set of rules they have to follow, and this led to the higher administrative difficulties. Research gap. It is expected that the artificial intelligence driven financial model will help in the overcoming the problem of business capital. We have seen the microfinance growth from 2014 to 2022. It was enormous. Therefore, it is important to explore the role of fintech services in the growth and development of these MSMEs and small sectors. The key objective of this paper are twofold. First of all, we want to analyze the key problem faced by MSME, as MSME is a key contributor of Indian GDP, and also the number of person working in India in MSME sector is more than almost 20 to 25 million, which is quite large in number. And the second objective of this paper is to examine whether the fintech have improved the availability of the capital to the MSME or not. Methodology. We have followed the qualitative research methodology, and For sampling of for gathering data, we have used purposive and snowball sampling. The interviews were conducted on a telephonic medium, because we are in currently in lockdown situation, and we have started the project after the lockdown. So we are mainly conducting the interviews through telephone and Zoom meetings. We have almost conducted 10 plus interviews, and these are bilingual in nature, and we have converted that interview in English transcriptions. We have initially performed a narrative analysis, and we want to increase our sample to 200 or 300, 2 to 300 such interviews, and we think that we can get some theoretical saturation on that level of that number of interviews. The findings are, there are two different findings. One is somehow academic findings, and some findings are which have some practical implications to MSME firms as well as to the fintech firms. The borrower mentioned in the problem, they are facing earlier, the regulatory requirements were providing difficult to meet sometimes, and the terms and conditions were unfavorable, especially interest rate, as banks etc are charging a higher rate of interest, and they also give a lower borrowing period, and they have a stringent repayment schedule, and minimum amount was quite low and quite high, some in banks, because they generally don't give smaller loans, and repayment schedules of them are quite rigid, and if you don't pay back to them, they will try to use unethical ways for getting recovery. The fintech have been instrumental in meeting the short-term capital requirement of the borrowers, as the MSME, the need of finance is generally limited to the working capital needs. So they don't need more loans to set up the factory or etc. The moreover, their need is somehow temporary and seasonal in nature, as MSME in India somehow largely dependent on agriculture for their raw materials. So these fintechs helps in getting them loan with as low as 2,000 rupees. It is somehow $30 in terms of US dollar, and the period can be as short as 30 days. So the in banks they have to take loan for larger time period, and they have to pay a larger sum of money as interest cost. But fintech have provided a new horizon where they can get a smaller loans for a shorter period of time, which in terms of profitability have impacted. Fintech operating 24/7. Not only the respondent were able to apply the loan any time of the day through the app website, but also able to get quick responses from the company. As we are facing the lockdown period, and we don't able to get the we have logistic issues, we have some health issues. So these fintechs are able to help in getting loan and maintaining the rhythm of the business for these MSMEs. The respondents, which are the MSMEs, reported that with the help of peer-to-peer lending platform, which is a type of fintech, they can get the required capital directly from the investors. The gamut of the solution provided of the fintechs are helping the MSME in navigating through the complex institutional structure of regulation present in Indian subcontinent. Conclusion. The fintech is an intervening improvement between the user and saver of the fund, in the economy through the expanded money related transaction, as the money creation is the one of the function which banks are doing from last 100 and 200 years of operations. Fintechs are quite new in nature, and they are bridging the gap between user and saver in a quite efficient way. The financial services become more affordable and accessible because of the innovation done by the fintech. As India is a large country, so it should and with the huge population, there is a need for fintech technology for making the financial services and business finance accessible to each and every part of the nation. Fintech based on microfinancing can help MSME to raise business capital quickly, which in turn enhance customer experience, promote engagement of customers, helping in sharing the information and provide payment scheme. Generally, fintech do not have the payment schedule rigid, and they provide some liberty to pay according to the ability and capability of the borrowers, that is MSMEs. Our Prime Minister has recently launched a program called Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-reliant in India. And this is the core contributor. MSMEs are the core contributor of this self-reliant India program. As we are get freedom approximately almost 60 years ago, and we are depending on export for each and everything. But now we are developing our own industry and indigenous technologies to contribute to our nation development as a whole. MSME revolution has potential to lead the resurgence of Indian economy. We have seen that because of some global fiascos and some Indian subcontinent issues, where the economy has taken a downturn, but which MSME, with the help of MSME revolution, we can leads to resurgence in Indian economy. Fintech based innovation can be seen as potential solution for the long-standing problem ailing of the growth of these MSMEs. As the MSME basic problem they face is problem of finance. MSME generate large-scale employment, but in India, the global spotlight as to go the destination in the manufacturing and assembling sectors. Limitation. We have faced many difficulty in gaining the access to the participants, because our participants are the MSMEs. It means that we have to contact to some of the business persons, which is and they have to know about the financial knowledge and etc. Actually, the problem is lies in India that in India the literacy rate in some of the part of the country is quite low. So it was quite difficult to make them understand what we are doing, and we also find the literate person or educated person do not have adequate financial knowledge, and they do not maintain the proper financial record, because the regulatory norms are quite liberal for the MSMEs, so they do not maintain a proper financial record. So it is one of the difficulties we face. Currently, we are limited. We have limited data point, and it is an ongoing study, and we have facing some issues due to COVID and some technical glitches, etc. And these are some questions we have asked from the participant. We generally ask background questions like name, age, location, etc., and some specific questions like fintech, like since we have using from how much